back to my channel Learn and Share Fun. Before we start today's video, I want to wish my father happy birthday as it is his birthday today. I want to wish my father happy birthday in Japanese. Otanji yomi omedetou gozaimasu oto-san. Thank you, Papa. Happy birthday. So today we will learn the Japanese scripts. There are 3 scripts in Japanese: Hiragana, Katakana and Kanji. So today we are going to learn about the Hiragana script. I will make a separate video on Hiragana, Katakana and Kanji's history and how they were made. Now let's start learning. So guys, this is the Hiragana chart, and the first line of the chart is the vowels line. And the vowels are A, E, U, A and O. The next line is K line. The K line is Ka, Ki, Ku, K and K. The next line is S line. Sa, She, Su, Se and So. Did you notice the exception is She? There is no letter as C in the S line. It is She. The next line, Ta, Chi, Tsu, Te and To. There are 2 exceptions in this line, which are Chi and Tsu. There is now no letter like Tu, Ti and Tu. The next line is Na line. Na, Ni, Nu, Ne and No. The next line is Her line. Ha, He, Fu, Fe and Fo. There is exception in this line, which is Fu. There is no letter as Hu in this line. Okay, the next line is Ma line. Ma, Mi, Mu, Me and Mo. The next line is Ya line. The Ya is Ya, You and Yo. There is 2 letters missing. There is no letter Ye and Ye. The next line is Ra line. Ra, Ri, Ru, Re and Ro. The next line is Va line. Va and Vo. There are 3 letters missing. There is no letter as, Vi, Vu and Ve. And the last line is the exception 2. The exception is this letter doesn't have any vowels inserted to it. So this is an exception and this is an expression 2. The letter is Let's start from vowel A. Before we start, I want to say you something. You have to follow the stroke order while writing. If you can't follow, if you can't remember, please get a notebook and a pencil and trace it. A. First stroke, second stroke and the third stroke. First stroke, second stroke and the third stroke. First stroke, second stroke and the third stroke. So now I am going to say a word which is A. It means the expression A. The next one is E. So first stroke, second stroke. First stroke, second stroke. Now I want to say you a word. So the word is E. It means house. The next one is U. First stroke, second stroke. First stroke, second stroke. First stroke, second stroke. A word with it is ui, ui, ui. Means top, top. The next one is a. First stroke, second stroke. First stroke and the second stroke. So the word with it is a means yes, I see. Yes, I see. The next one is o. First stroke, second stroke, and the third stroke. First stroke, second stroke, and the third stroke. So a word with it is osoi, osoi. So did you remember we wrote a. So how to write this? Okay, the next one is ka. First stroke, second stroke, and the third stroke. First stroke, second stroke, and the third stroke. So a word with it is cow. Cow means face. The next one is key. First stroke, second stroke, and the third stroke. Fourth stroke, first stroke, second stroke, third stroke, and the fourth stroke. So a word with it is K means tree. The next one is ku. First stroke, first stroke, first stroke. It becomes in one stroke. Okay, the word with it is kutsu. Kutsu means shoe. The next word is K. First stroke, second stroke, and the third stroke. First stroke, second stroke, and the third stroke. So a word with it is kesa. Means this morning. The next one is ko. First stroke and the second stroke. First stroke and the second stroke. It's easy one. So a word with it is coco. Means here. The next one is sa. First stroke, second stroke, and the third stroke. First stroke, the second stroke, and the third stroke. So the word with it is saki. Means earlier or former. The next one is she. First stroke, first stroke. This becomes in a first stroke. This is a very easy letter. So this is an exception. You remember we saw in the chart? So what a word we can do? Did you remember in the first video we had learned the numbers? Ichi, ni, san, and yon or she. So this she is 4. The next one. Su. Su. First stroke and the second stroke. First stroke and the second stroke. So a word with it is Suki. Suki means to like. To like. The next word is Se. First stroke, second stroke, third stroke. First stroke, second stroke, and the third stroke. So a word with it is Se and E. Say. Say means height. Height. The next word with it is so. So, first stroke, first stroke. Yeah. Now, this is also with one stroke. So, a word with it is so, ko. So, ko means there.
Let's stop here. This is enough for today and we will learn the rest of the hiragana in my next video. And please practice the hiragana I taught you today. Please. And if you liked my video, please like. And if you are new to my channel, please like and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified for the upcoming videos. Bye bye.